Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at home. Welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of social studies. I am here with a new chapter from your textbook, chapter 16, the seeds of honesty. So students, what's name of chapter is the seeds of honesty? Okay, so in this chapter you are going to know about brave kingdom, princess, beautiful flowers, green trees, and honesty. It is see. So students, let's start to read chapter 16. Chapter 16, the seeds of honesty. Once again, chapter 16, the seeds of honesty. So let's start chapter. Once upon a time, there was a king. He had no children. He was worried. Who would be king after me? One day, he said to his minister, I want to choose a person who will be king after me. All the people of the city to the place. Once upon a time, there was a king. He had no children. He was worried who would be king after me. One day, he said to his minister, I want to choose a person who will be a king after me. Is that clear? Call the people of the city to the place. So, look at the picture, students. Here, king, minister and people. Okay, is that clear? So, when the people of the city reached the place, the king spoke to them. So, student, look here picture. King and many people. Okay, talk to princess. When the people of the city reached the place of the king, spoke to them, my dear people, you are here today for a special reason. My dear people, you are here today for a special reason. I want to choose one among you as prince of the kingdom. He will be the king after me. So student, now come to the next page. Here is a bucket full of seeds. Please take one seed each. Plant it. Take care of it and come back to me after 1 year with what you have grown. The man with the healthiest plant will become to prince of the kingdom. The people were happy. Everybody, everybody wanted to be the prince. After all, it was easy to grow plants. They looked the seeds and went back home. They were happy. Everybody wanted to be the princess. After all, it was easy to grow. It was easy to grow plants. They looked the seeds and went back home. Okay. After 1 year, so many peoples. After 1 years, the people came back to the place with their plants. Each plant had lovely green trees and beautiful flowers. The king then came to look at the plants. All the flower pots were kept in a row. Kept in a Suddenly, the king saw a pot that had no plants in it. The people said, "What a lazy man! He cannot even grow a plant. How can he have hope to rule the kingdom? How can he hope to rule the kingdom?" Okay. The king asked, when we people, the king asked, "Whose pot is this? Whose pot is this? Please come forward, me." Okay. When we people ask king, "Whose pot is the king? Please come forward." A young man come forward slowly and said, "Maharaj, please accept my greetings. This pot belong to me." Maharaj, please accept my greeting. This pot belongs to me. Okay. The king asked, "Why is here no plant in your pot?" King asked a young man. King asked, "Why here no plants in your pots?" The man replied, "Please excuse me, Maharaj. I tried very hard." The man replied, "Please excuse me, Maharaj. I tried very hard. I wandered the soul and took great care of the seed day and night, but the seed just did not grow into a plant." Okay. Then the king said to the people, "Today I choose this young man as the prince of the kingdom. After me, he will sit on the throne and rule." Everybody was shocked to their ears. When were people? Everybody shocked to hear this. The people looked at each other. How can the king choose him as prince? There is no plant in his pot. While we worked so hard to grow beautiful plants. The king said, "My dear people, you must be wondering why is choose him. Let me explain. The seeds I gave all of you had been boiled. It is not possible for boiled seeds to grow into plants. So all of you who came here today with plants are real. When the seed I gave you did not grow, you planted another seeds. He is the only honest and brave person among you. He did not cheat. Only, only an honest person is fit to be the king, as it takes a lot of courage to be truthful. This story for long ago teaches the importance of telling the truth. Okay student, I hope I whole chapter this honesty, brave and truthful. Okay, is that clear? I hope you understood about the videos, about the honesty, helpful, beautiful, truthful and etc. very well by the help of this video. So you have to read this chapter and do not forget to do the homework and assessment given during your live classes. Okay, thank you students. Bye and take care.